Imagine the future. A future shaped by bold ideas and innovative technology. A place designed to make you the priority. To give you the space to be free and to see the world differently. A progressive inner sanctum. Digitized, optimized, personalized. An individual sphere for connections, recharging, creativity. First-class comfort and the luxury of shared experiences. A grand appearance, shaping the future of premium mobility. The Audi Grand Sphere concept. A high-class future.